mean, it was really weird. I honestly have no idea how he got in there.
You know, I've actually been thinking of doing more pranks, but, well, recovery centers, my inspiration, they're all gone.
Well, if you ever need a hand with one of those, I'm down.
I'd say me too, but you know, my team has this whole preventing death thing.
Yeah, you can't go betraying their trust.
Yup. Hey, that reminds me, Eraser, I'm really proud of how tolerant you've been. You know, since you're on a team with Foldy...
Hey, none of us has the twinkle anymore.
Yeah!
No!
Free food! I'm so sorry! With 30 seconds left, there's no way I can get rid of this deadly twinkle!
Belle, I've climbed your string before, and wow, it is long. With length comes strength, and with strength comes the ability to give your twinkle of contagion to another team.
What do you mean?
Belle, every team on Earth knows you've got the twinkle now. Except one. You know what to do.
TV, Robot Flower, you've been selected by my formula for a successful team.
Okay, guys, we have to stick together.
This dude is right.
We need to find a team with 3 slots open, or else we're gonna get split up. We have to stick together.
Hey, Belle,
What's up?
what's your string attached to?
Oh, I prefer not to tell.
I want to find out.
It's none of your business!
I'm gonna find out, huh?
Help alert! I need this eraser off of me!
Whoa, Belly, what's the ruckus?
Eraser's climbing my string and I don't like it!
You have a string? Huh, I never noticed. What's at the top?
Why, that's not important!
I found my next adventure.
Ding dong! Ding dong! Somebody get these rascals down!
I can certainly punch those weak rascals down for you,
Gee, thanks, Snowball. I knew I'd find someone.
as long as you let me up.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, Eraser! Eraser! Eraser!
What?
Look what I just found. It's a rectangle.
No, Pen, that's a parallelogram. I would know.
What about this?
Oh my god, Pen, that's a pentagon.
Yeah, like if you took my name and added Tagon.
You don't understand, Ben. Pentagons are extremely scary.
Really? I didn't think it was that scary. Ah! Help us, Blocky!
Okay.
Blocky, put me down.
There. Now it is a quadrilateral and a triangle. Ooh. Wow, I don't ever want to see a pentagon ever again.
She's right. We're in these rooms until we finish the challenge. And the more things we do, the more likely we are to notice who's the fake. Guys, psst, stop. You'll make her a pentagon again.
Okay, then, no win token for you. So first I will say who has 0 votes. Eraser.
What? All cake is good cake.
As a reward, you get another half of a pair of scissors.
Ooh, so now I have 2.
Nice scissors, huh?
Yeah.
At the end of the hour, whichever team has more water wins. And yes, whoever is the first to finish the course gets a win token. Wait. Before that get onto the screen, I have to tell you one more thing.
We have to decide who will find Blocky and who will run the course.
We'll find Blocky.
Spongy, you go too. And Pencil, go with them. But our alliance.
Vote in the comments using the letter and square brackets under who deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show.
Gosh, why are you so... you know what? It doesn't matter. Needle's going up. She's fast.
Yeah!
What? But I'm a fast for sure. I thought I'd get picked Shredder. Wait, you're fast? I thought you said you're slow.
You fast was slow.
Huh. I guess it did.